Avery, you eating with your spoon? You eating with your spoon, darling?
Yeah.
I got a pea in my hand. I want to figure out first. Oop. It didn't quite make it in.
Here you go. Let's grab your spoon.
Good job. Good job, Avery.
And try it again.
Let's try dipping ourselves. Can we do that? Oops, I dropped something. I'll get it. Why don't you dip you? Yeah. Oh, well, I mean, she has to do it that way.
Here. Like this.
Use your spoon. There you go. No. Use your spoon.
Use a spoon.
Dip it out. There you go. Oops.
That's not gonna be pretty.
Well, have you looked at my pajamas? It's a perfect night to try. We've been eating crazy today.
Want to try it for a little bit?
Use your spoon, Avery. That's yucky. You got to use your spoon for stuff like that. There you go. No. Use your spoon. Here, Avery. You're just gonna make a mess. You put your peas back in your bowl. Thank you. Oh, but then you're gonna take them out. You know what? You're not eating. You're just playing. Is that good, Pea? Mmm. Is that good? Yeah, I see that. Mommy doesn't want any though. Thank you. Peas. Peas, please. Yummy. Yummy peas. Yeah? You want to use your spoon again? What do you do with the spoon? Here. You're just going to go straight into the bath tonight, aren't you? Here you go. Use your spoon. What do you do with this? Here you go. Good job! Yay, Avery! You're so messy. You want some more peas? More peas, please. No, not in that. You can get those. No. You have to use the spoon for that side. Oh, Avery. Here. Let's take another bite with your spoon. Here, what do you do with your spoon? What do you do with the spoon? Well, this is just not appetizing. I think you're done. I think you're just playing now, aren't you? Did you have a good dinner, Avery? Okay, that's enough. Say thanks for dinner.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Yummy mac and cheese. Say cheese. Say more cheese and peas, please. You put the pea on your spoon? Are you going to use your spoon again? Okay. Bye-bye.